Buddy, you look like the elder of the church. Buddy. Nana. I just wear it like this. Nana, she's hungry. Feed the girl, feed the girl, feed the girl. Feed the girl, feed the girl, feed the girl, feed the girl. Sammy, what are you watching? Charlie Brown, right? Charlie Brown. Oh, wait, Charlie Brown. Charlie. Kasuke.
Shall we go to shop?
Yes, Sammy's getting. Oh, Sammy and Corin are getting christened, and after that we're gonna go to the beach. Oh snap! Going to the beach, y'all. Why are we always late for everything? It don't matter what we're doing. We're always. We can get up. Like, say we gotta be someplace at 11. We can get up at 6, 7 in the morning, and say we gotta be someplace at 11. We're always gonna end up being late. Buddy, look at Dad pumping the gas.
Here we gonna be in Texas. 10 seconds or like 1 minute, huh?
Yeah, buddy.
We're gonna be in church in 10 seconds. Huh?
We're not gonna be to church in 10 seconds. Like, we probably got like 30, 35 minutes left.
Whoa,
Stop.
We actually pick all our fingers and make 35.
Even if it's us and the pastor and his wife, please do this today. We can get this over with. Because until we get, we coming around to being.
Oh, buddy, I love you too. Oh, my glasses.
We're gonna probably be
wait.
Another time,
I'll give you sugar. Give me sugar. Mwah. Give me sugar right here. Right here. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Great googly muggly. Great googly muggly. Great googly muggly. Great googly muggly. I don't know where that's from. If you know where that's from, drop it. It's sexydropper.com. You showing them your cup? Why are you showing them your cup? Isaac, shut up. That's funny. Wait, sing it? Sing it in my ear. You look out of my mind? This is the moment. This is the time. Whoa. But let's sing the Oscar Mayer song.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? Yeah, kind of.
Okay, what's your gun?
No. Okay. I wish I was an Oscar Mayer wiener. That is what I truly love to be. 'Cause if I was an Oscar Mayer wiener, something truly love me. Shout out. Our auntie taught us that song through Snapchat, and we've been singing it ever since. Oh my gosh. I wish I was the Oscar Mayer wiener, 'cause that is what I truly love to be. 'Cause if I was an Oscar Mayer wiener, something, I think fall in love, or somebody would be in love with me, or something like that. Yeah, I don't know. I wish I was an Oscar Mayer wiener, 'cause that is what I truly love to be. 'Cause if I was an Oscar Mayer wiener, of me. Whoa! Woo! Great, giggly wiggly. Guys, we're in our granddad's house. Oh, I gotta pee. Down your dress, girl. He has some decency. You have to use the bathroom. You can't hold it, man. Are you telling me like your mom? Dang, bro. Yes, I can. I'm gonna tell her what you said. She gonna hear what you said, but she gonna watch this. So, like I said, look, this is really bothering me. But anyways, like I said, we're in our grandparents' house. The kitties just got christened. I mean, I did too, and my sister, which was totally unexpected. My eyes was burning, and then my nose started running, and I was like, I need a tissue, and then I saw the tissue.
Crying, bro.
Yeah, I wasn't crying. I mean, it's okay if I do cry, but I wasn't crying. My face looked greasy. Look greasy, baby. Look crazy. No, just kidding. Okay, you're doing too much, girl. You're doing so much. But anyways, shout out to Miracle for these lashes. You just ruined my video because you just flushed the toilet in my video. You didn't wash your hands. Please get off of me. But we're about to go to the beach, so we're gonna film at the beach. We're gonna film at the beach. Yeah. And I got the speaker, and we. Oh,
She got my ice cream.
Granny coming too. Granny coming too. Who is that? Oh, I think Trey has to use the bathroom.
I'll be right back.
Whoa.
That's where you watch speed work.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my
Come back on the
gosh.
phone, I'll give you one.
What's up, sister? I'm gonna miss you so. Look, come this way. Nope, light and bad. Oh, the bitch to the back of us. Oh, okay. Bruh, you see that? Girl. Okay, that's clear. But we turn this way. The lighting's good. I gotta get my ring light and my tripod.
Ooh, I can't wait to get my ring. My class ring.
Your class ring? Yeah, I can't wait to get a class ring either so that we can be twins. Where you going?
Alexis.
No, let's just stay in the bathroom. Okay. So, how was your day today? Oh, you got a little boogie in your eye. Let's watch her take her boogie out. How'd I feel? Stop! I dare you to touch me. I dare you to touch me. You almost fell?
I think I'd get like a green.
You'll get green
Tell your
color?
mom not to copy me.
No, because mommy said green
I said
first.
green first.
No, I want to do like, I like the gray because my mommy had the gray. So,
Look weird.
I look nice.
Let's see how I look with white.
Don't get white brown because that's going to be ridiculous.
We get red.
Don't do that.
We get purple.
Don't do that. I mean, maybe the purple, but white? What are you like? Alright.
Should get blue.
See you at the beach. See you at the... No, I think I have issues. I'm really, really tired. Do not leave this bathroom, brown. Stop. No, I'm gonna miss you so much. But I'm gonna see y'all at the beach, okay? I'm so tired. I can't go to sleep right now. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I'm running on... Mommy doesn't know this. I'm not gonna say it. But I'm running on, like... I ain't even gonna say that because then she gonna figure it out. She gonna figure it out. But...
We don't know what you were doing last night.
Brian, do not play with me, Brian. Do not play with me.
I gotta come home from work.
Gotta go. See you on the beach. When nobody says anything, that's weird.
Celebrate. You want a beer and meat? Make that.
Mom, it's recording you.
I ain't tasted that chili for the first time. Boy, that's 2 weeks back.
No, it's
Just try to eat 'em up.
The babies got christened today. We had a good time.
I tell you. Say hi.
Boy, they were coming back and forth. I said, oh no. You're going to eat that up for me.
I'm not gonna say hi. He just looked at me.
Boy, you talking about good.
He don't know. This not.
Do y'all want some rice? I'll give y'all half of this rice.
I don't think so. Do you know that you're not here, Mommy?
All right.
No, you don't care.
Okay.
They don't care.
fine. You want to hear it? No, I can be here. I ain't going nowhere. Come on,
You gotta go back to school, Brianna. Why you didn't tell me I had stuff on my face?
Because you didn't tell me I had stuff on my face.
I did tell you that.
We need a wet rag.
That's
Snap
why I
a
did.
picture. Brian, you
I'm not taking the picture.
Snap a picture.
All right. No, I'm not doing that.
I'm about to work there. You let your granny hand go because your sister got your hand.
No. Okay, so y'all, we finally at the beach, and we just got out of the bathroom, and the line was so entirely long. It was ridiculous. When I say ridiculous, it was ridiculous. Okay, and I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but yeah, it was really ridiculous, y'all. Really ridiculous. But we're sitting on the pier. Brianna, my parents are over there at a special place where they get special drinks. And my grandma's here too. They're getting special drinks. Corin's over there too. Oh man, she threw her shoe. Buddy, can you get her shoe? You want to go over there, buddy? Get her shoe.
She's trying to tell her.
Right. He wants to go see over there. I'm gonna take him over there because he has rights just like all of these other people.
Alexis, that's Granny, that's baby,
You want him to get
and then that's Sammy Pooh.
Buddy, you walking on the beach?
You gonna have dirt in your shoe? Buddy, you gonna get dirt in your shoe, baby. Yeah, but you gonna get the sand in your shoe. Now the rocks you can stop and take out.
All right, y'all, come on.
Yeah. Can you pick her up, Lex? But I took it. I took it.
Okay,
Did you save it?
Yeah.
It automatically saves?
Yeah. Ow. My eyes burning.
Dad is looking for me setting up our beach umbrella. Look, Mona done get her spot for the umbrella that's about to get cut out.
Right here. Yeah, boy.
Y'all go run in the water. You going in the water too, Pete? Ooh, that's pretty. Step up on beach cream, alright. Next, you gotta get the other team. Where that little boy at? Keep an eye on that little boy over there on the shirt. But then baby lost
Whoa. Oh, Corin. I know you might as well take your shoes off because I mean, got some in your eye? Oh, no, I left the speaker in the car. We just need wait. I want to play our music, you know. Get crunk. Right, mommy?
That's why I got my foot on it.
Gotta put some sand on it.
Yeah.
Put sand on it.
That thing no good. I just think that's what you don't do that.
Well, okay, why don't you put like the corner of the chair on it so it can like.
Oh, yeah, she could do that.
Put the corner of the chair on it.
Now you're so smart.
That's the dog right there. That's the MD.
She's so smart.
Right there. Just for now, you gotta get the other side.
It's not gonna fly away.
Oh, yeah. It's gotta get hit.
Oh, sorry. She's
Yeah, big Miss Kathy.
All right, Evan, drink some water. Start getting in the water.
the shit.
Really? I'm
going in the water
in the
now?
water, Bree. I got one and a quarter shoe down in my head. How you turn the camera around again? We'll be back.
Cause you being rude. Bye. She's being rude. She has an attitude. Yeah. How far are you going, mother? I don't know about this, son. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, Brianna, I'm gonna hold on to you. Brianna, I'm holding on to you. Oh shucks. Oh, nope, I'm stopping right here. Nana, what if I drop my phone, bro?
Bro, that would be terrible.
Nana, I'm staying right here because I don't want my pants to get wet. Bro, look at our parents and our siblings. I'm about to say our